Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Lotus circular saw. First, prioritize safety by always wearing safety glasses and hearing protection. Before starting, ensure your blade is sharp and correctly installed for the material. Always unplug the saw when making any adjustments or changing blades to prevent accidental activation. Maintain a clear, well-lit workspace, free from any obstructions, to ensure safe and efficient operation. These crucial steps will help prevent accidents and ensure a smooth cutting experience. Before making any cuts, precise preparation is key. Begin by accurately measuring and marking your desired cut line on the material. Next, securely clamp your workpiece to a stable surface. This prevents movement and ensures a straight cut. Adjust the blade depth so it extends approximately 1/8 inch below the material you are cutting. If an angled cut is needed, set the bevel angle, which can typically go up to 45 degrees for various projects. Now let's make the cut. Hold the circular saw firmly with both hands, maintaining a balanced and stable stance for optimal control. Before touching the material, allow the blade to reach its full operating speed. Guide the saw smoothly and steadily along your marked line, applying consistent, moderate pressure. As you approach the end of the cut, ensure the off-cut piece is supported to prevent it from dropping and binding the blade, ensuring a clean finish. Once your cut is complete, release the trigger and allow the blade to come to a complete stop before placing the saw down. Always unplug the tool immediately after use. Take a moment to clean any sawdust or debris from the saw in your workspace, ensuring everything is tidy. Store your circular saw in a dry, secure location, protecting it from moisture and dust. Regularly inspect the power cord, blade, and safety guards for any signs of wear or damage to maintain its longevity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.